That's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are, beautiful Brian's bike with the LED indicators, stop tails, as you can see. Yeah, spot on. It's like we did on that big dog, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Also available at the front, we do the amber to match, as you can see. Fully road legal, beautiful indicators. If you're interested, give us a bell. Also, Brian's selling a bike, stunning bike. Genuine low mileage American bike, as you can see. Nice twin disc Dyna, 1999 Dyna lowrider. As you can see, the whole thing powder coated. The wheels have been sort of contrast cut. Absolutely stunning machine. A lot of work being done on this to make it totally original. Black ceramic, the pipes, proper black ceramic, not Teflon like the Vance and Irons have on. And as you can see, beautiful twin disc, braided lines, brand new fuel pipes. Bike originally from Florida, so as you can see, very good condition. Tank's been sealed, and as you can see, all the pulley looks contrast cut as well to match. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you. Yeah, it's lovely. It's cool having a rev counter, isn't it? They haven't got that on most of the bikes, do they?
Yeah.
Basically FXR, isn't it?
Yeah.
Same as Nigel's FXR.
Yeah.